What if I told you that you do not need a gym, expensive equipment, or even hours of training to stay fit? Most people think getting in shape means complicated workout plans and painful routines. But the truth is, just 3 simple exercises done consistently at home can completely transform your body, boost your energy, and improve your health. So if you want to stay fit, healthy, and strong without leaving your house, these are the top 3 exercises you should start doing today. 1. Push-ups. The king of home workouts. Push-ups train your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core at the same time. They also improve overall upper body strength and endurance. Why it works? Builds upper body strength, improves posture, activates the core. 2. Squats. If you want strong legs, better mobility, and fat loss, squats are essential. They train your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core together. Why it works? Burns lots of calories, strengthens lower body, improves balance and mobility, helps daily movement feel easier. 3. Plank. The plank looks simple, but it builds serious core strength and stability. A strong core protects your back and improves every movement. Why it works? Strengthens abs and lower back, improves posture, builds endurance, reduces risk of back pain. Simple home fitness routine: push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 15 squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20 plank, 3 rounds of 30 to 60 seconds. Do this 4 to 5 times per week and combine it with good sleep and healthy eating for the best results. And that is exactly why these 3 exercises are so powerful. Remember, staying fit is not about doing hundreds of exercises. It is about mastering the basics and showing up every single day. Start small, stay consistent, and your future body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep training strong.